Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Masters. Guys, in this video we have compiled some most talented barber haircut transformation ever. So don't skip this video, watch this video to end. You will get some most beautiful haircut transformation ever in this episode. As you can see, this guy has some beautiful wolf chops and you as you know that temp fade is the right combination for your waves, and this guy got most beautiful shape of line, and this is gonna be some phenomenal haircut transformation ever. Oh my gosh, just look at this one. And this guy is lucky to have that type of barber. Anyways, we are moving the next one. Yeah, that's sharp, that's cool, that's perfect. Anyways, we got another huge wolf chops transformation. Wow, that's precise. The taper with shape of line and this waves is looking so phenomenal. And it looks pretty handsome on that guy, and I wish to I have that type of waves, but unfortunately I don't have. This is gonna be a most tricky haircut, by the way. Yeah. That's the perfect one. This guy got perfect barber now. That was sharp and pretty handsome haircut. So it is the final product, and that haircut looks pretty handsome on that guy. Wow, that was blended. The perfect high mid fade with most crispiest shape of line. That was blended. That looks sharp. Yeah. And this is gonna be a last haircut transformation of the day, and this is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation, and I can guarantee you that you will like this haircut the most. Here's the before, here is the after. You can see. I hope you had enjoyed all of this quick haircut transformation. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and the post notification to get update for every upcoming upload.